Let me show you what's going on here as we check out our Live 5 camera downtown West Palm Beach, the intra-coastal. The flag is flying, but the breeze is pretty light this morning. We've had a little patchy fog develop in a few spots inland this morning, northwest of our area and south and west of our area. But we could see a little patchy fog, especially in our inland communities or anywhere where the wind is calm this morning if the temperatures get down low enough. But it's pretty warm along the coast where winds are anywhere from 6 to 8 miles per hour, a little calmer up along the Treasure Coast, and pretty calm winds farther inland too. So we've got a couple of spots in the 60s, Belle Glade and Fort Pierce right now, everywhere else in the 70s and even close to 80 as you get down along the southern parts of our viewing area. Our forecast high temperatures for today, these aren't the heat index temperatures, these are our actual high temperatures for today, or at least what we're forecasting to be the highs. 93 in Okeechobee, 91 in Vero Beach, 89 Jupiter and Boynton, and about 90 in Boca. And then tack on about 3 or 4 degrees for the humidity today, and that's the way it's going to feel. For example, in Okeechobee, it's going to feel like it's about 97 this afternoon. And the temperatures really just kind of go up as we head into the weekend here. We're going to have about the same conditions tomorrow, but then temperatures climb into the 90s everywhere on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even into Sunday. So expect some pretty steamy conditions and make sure you take care of yourself if you're going to spend any length of time outside. Stay well hydrated, find some shade when you can. Chances for rain are minimal at best. Today and tomorrow really don't see much of a chance for rainfall. Rain chances come up a little bit, only to 10% Thursday through Saturday. And then as we get to Sunday and Monday, the chance for showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two during the afternoon hours both days.